Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to improve Bluetooth audio quality on Android, with simple steps that you can follow easily. If you're ready to make your music and calls sound better, then stay tuned. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. Before moving ahead, make sure your phone is connected to Bluetooth, otherwise the changes won't take effect. Step 2. Within the menu, you also need to activate developer mode. To do it, open the About Phone section, find the MIUI version, and tap on it 7 times. Once you do that, developer mode will be activated automatically. Step 3. After that, go back to the main settings page. Use the search bar at the top, type Bluetooth audio codec, and select the result that appears. This will open the audio codec settings. Step 4. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of available options. Each option represents a different codec that your Bluetooth device may support. Check carefully, because the codec must match what your Bluetooth headphones or speaker can handle. Step 5. For example, if you want to stick to the system preference, choose the default option. Then swipe down the top menu, tap and hold the Bluetooth icon, and it will open your Bluetooth connection settings. Step 6. Here you'll see the Bluetooth device that is currently connected. Look under the name, and if you see SBC, that means your device is using the standard codec. This is good for compatibility. Step 7. Now go back to the Bluetooth audio codec option again. This time, select another available option, such as AAC or aptX, depending on what your Bluetooth device supports. After selecting it, return to the Bluetooth settings and check under your device name. If you see the same name as SBC, it means you've successfully improved Bluetooth audio quality on Android. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tech tips and tricks.